Hello everyone, my name is Dion Durr from Pinky's Iron Doors, and we're here to showcase our Getty double arch door right behind me today. All right guys, we're on the Getty door today. The double arch door. This door is 72 by 96, so that's the way it's measured is from here to here. It's 72 inches exactly, and then 96 inches from the top of the peak to the bottom of the threshold. Okay, that's 96 inches. Your rough openings should always be half an inch to 1 inch larger than what the door is, to actually have room for the door to fit into. This door, we have it in single, double, all the different shapes also. Arch, flat, the little mini arch that we have, that's a new door also, a new shape also. This is a door that we're doing a double door in 1 inch frame to get you a larger door opening inside. We can't do that with a lot of doors. This one we can because it does not have operable glass. The glass panels are fixed. This is a true divide door, which means these are 6 pieces of glass that have been cut and put into these squares. These are not one piece of glass with this stuck on it, with the flat bar stuck on it, okay? These are true T-bars and not welded T-bars. So it gets extracted as a T-bar and not 2 pieces of metal welded together. Big difference for water leaks over time, okay? This is a door that we dropped this down to 4 inches to center the lock area in. Okay, kick panel, this piece, big kick panel. We brought it all the way up to the door handle height. Super nice door, I think. I think it's a timeless design. It'll last forever, and I don't think it'll ever go out of style. But what else do we have on this? Oh, this is a low-E glass that we have. It's 5/8 thick, dual glazed low-E glass. Other glass types are available. This door will be stocking in black only. Other colors are available if you want a special order. Maybe sometimes once in a while we'll have a different color door in there also. Pretty simple door. I mean, it's a classic. We got a little kick plate that has some design on it, which is duplicated on the opposite side also. I'll show you guys. Again, all of our doors have foam fill inside. This is for sound and any moisture buildup on the bottom, so it doesn't build up any moisture. We do make this door in thermal break also, if needed, for people that have homes that have weather below 20 degrees. We have doors for that also. Let me flip this around, show you guys what the other side looks like. All right, so we're on the back side of the Getty door. So these are little aluminum push pieces that we use to actually push the glass and lock the glass into. This sits on the edge of the T-bar, so the sharp edge of basically a T is like this, 2 pieces of glass. We push it in to lock the 2 pieces of glass in like this. Duplicated kick plate on the opposite side. Again, guys, this is a black door. You can actually add bronze to it if you want to make this into a bronze door. It's not that difficult. You can just ask us for some bronze. We'll give you some bronze, and we have videos on YouTube how to do the bronze door. Yeah, what else is there? Hinges. We have little grease nipples that are removable if needed. If you don't like the way they look, you can remove those, or you can just paint them with the magic marker. We keep it like that because once you you need to grease them up. You need to grease up the hinges, so that's gonna have something that snaps on, snaps off, and that'll destroy the paint. So you can, if that bothers you, I personally think it's really nice, and I think it adds a nice little mechanical touch to it. That's pretty much it. It's got a 1-piece frame with a threshold on the bottom, and doors. So this is a right-hand in-swing door, okay? So this door opens first into the house to the right wall. That's a right-hand in-swing. If the opposite door opened, that's a left-hand in-swing. All of our doors have roller latches on. You probably noticed it when I opened it and made that little clicking sound. This is so it saves the locks over time, and also it allows you to add a larger metal handle, like an iron handle if needed, if you want to. But that's pretty much it, and hope you guys liked it. See you guys on the next one. Hope you guys enjoyed our Getty double arch door showcase. If you guys have any questions, contact us at info@pinkiesirondoors.com, or you can call us at 844-843-6677, or leave a comment. We'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. Hope you guys enjoyed it. We'll see you guys on the next store. Thank you.